I don't know about you, but there's nothing I enjoy more than a fresh piece of bread with some coffee in the morning. So today, we're making some fresh pita bread. Here we go. So we're gonna jump right into this. It's super simple. All you're gonna need is 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix that thoroughly and then we'll check back in. Cool, now we can add the oil. So you can use whatever oil you like. I'm personally using olive oil. I like the flavor, but you can use whatever oil you like. So it's gonna be 3 tablespoons. You're gonna mix that in thoroughly as well, and we'll check back in. Nice. So now we're gonna add the water. It's gonna be about 1/3 of a cup of water, but we're gonna add it in very slowly. So I'm doing it by the tablespoon. So you can do 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix it in very thoroughly once again. You don't want it to be really wet. Just do it nice and slow. Now we put like a drop of oil on our hands, rub it in, and here comes the fun part, aka the worst part. We have to wait at least 2 hours before we can use this. Time is finally up. Now we just have to take a little ball and flatten it and throw it in a hot pan. Simple as that. You don't have to add no oil, no butter, just throw it in there. Now that's what you call fresh. Ow! It's really hot. Watch out. Now that was easy and good. I really enjoyed eating that one. Talking about things I enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned something. Please leave a comment. Let me know if you decide to make any of this. And for you guys that have left a comment, I'm working on it. I got you. And as always, like, subscribe, return. See you guys soon.